Hi, boys and girls. We've been doing a lot of number bonds this week and changing them into fact families. So by now, this should be really easy for you to do, and you shouldn't be able to need my help if we are doing our goal, which is to be able to do these by yourself. So let's put our name at the top, and then let's look at our number bonds. And I will do 2 with you, and then I want you to do 2 on your own. So the biggest number is the one by itself, and then the 2 parts are what we add to find the whole. So the first one is 4 plus 1 equals 5. Then I'm going to switch my addends, and I'm going to do 1 plus 4 equals 5. So then on our subtraction problem, our biggest number, the whole, is going to come first. So 5 minus 4 equals 1, and then I switch it. 5 minus 1 equals 4. Okay, now let's do 7, 4, and 3. So if I'm going to make a fact family with 7, 4, and 3, we put our addends here. 4 plus 3 equals 7, and then 3 plus 4 equals 7. Then I put my whole first. 7 minus 4 equals 3, and then I flip it. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Okay, so you have 2 number bonds with fact families that I want you to do on your own. So what you're going to do is you're going to push pause, and I want you to complete the fact family. And your teacher is going to check this to make sure that you're able to do our goal, which is to do a fact family with a number bond by yourself. So push pause, finish the 2 fact families, and then turn it over for your fluency practice. Okay, so these are plus 2s. So these are super easy. You should be really good at being able to do these by now. So just like we always do, we're going to solve the top, and then you're going to practice it on the bottom by yourself. So 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 plus 2 is what, Allie?
3.
Yep. 2 plus 2? 4.
4.
3 plus 2? 5, 6, 7, see the pattern, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now, when we look at the bottom part, we have all the answers, we just have to match them. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. Okay, so just keep going down at the bottom and finish your fluency practice. Then turn it into your teacher so your teacher can double check your number bonds to make sure that you got them correct.